Hello everyone and welcome into yet another live stream. Hi there! Oh, that's a tough nickname to pronounce. Hi there, York. Hi the Siphon. Hi the Greg. Hi the Starblazer. I serious MAKiT figure schedule. I am serious. I'm never joking. I'm always serious. The thing is, I'm just feeling like streaming right now. I already mentioned that this week I don't really have that thing that I usually have, where it's like an oppressive amount of work. Instead of I'm actually surprisingly free, and I'm not used to this. I'm not used to being free, not having, you know, things I need to do. And so I just say hi, parties can't say bye. Good, well, have fun, Siphon. Have fun. I'm not quite free because I still have things to do, but I'm not. But if I don't do these things, I won't die. So I'm not used to this feeling of what I don't know what you wanna call it. Freedom? And I just want to start lashing earlier. Because I can. Not because I have to, because I can, for goodness sake. This is not daily life. It's nightly. Hey, in America it would be daily right now, actually. Kind of. 8 PM, close enough. In some parts of America. America's pretty big, to be fair. Anyhow, I have finished Wheneverly. Exactly, it's not a daily live stream, it's a Wheneverly live stream. I have finished all of the gravity animations. Ooh, isn't that exciting? And also scripted a fair bit more of the electromagnetism one. Electromagnetism. There we go. Is there an American flag there? Only this flag. Okay, fair point. However, I am not gonna pick favorites. Okay. Alright, so we need to delete absolutely everything. Music, my goodness. Where are you from? I'm just trying to understand what time is it for you. Guess. I'm European, yes. I am European, it is kind of late at night. What am I looking for? Music, right, that's what I'm looking for. Alright, there we go. It's also 3:30 AM for MAKiT. It's something around that. I'm also European, but there's like 4 time zones. Yeah, but all of them are pretty much the same. The rough idea sticks. So here's the thing. This is meant to be the world of electromagnetism. Ooh, thrilling and exciting. Oh, that's a bit much. Music-wise, okay. Hi, the set of pretzels. Was cracking my phone to see notification. Yeah, exactly. Start of the live stream. Hope I won't disappoint. Okay, so we need to start rendering actually right here, because the whole point will be that it will... There we go. And it's gonna transition into... Actually, we should end like 40 frames later. I did it. Damn it. I messed up. It should be like this. Because then there's gonna be some extra movement at the end. Are you gonna stay buff? I don't mind. And we'll have to see, how those workouts go, you know. Anyhow, here's the thing. Actually, I genuinely might be able to finish the video on time. Can you believe it? MAKiT finishing a video on time? Unheard of. That's chances 1 in a million. And so, electromagnetism. Fair bit seeable electronics. So what we're gonna need is we're gonna need, first of all, the background. The background needs to change. This is electromagnetism. It ain't gravity. Just 5 more minutes. Exactly. Just 5 more minutes. Now, this ain't gravity, which means we can just get rid of everything in here, because this is not what we're looking for. We're not looking for this. This is a nice night sky, but that's not what we want. So, whoop, down the street it goes. And then we can do... Well, first of all, we're gonna need a plane as a reference to see how it affects the light. That's pretty fair. You flashbang me so hard. With what? This is dark. Was it bright at some point? I know, I forgot. During my video, I saw titration again. Do you know any real-world applications for it? I mean, I know that there are a couple. I just don't... I think there are a couple, at the very least. But there aren't any I'm familiar with that would be actually widely used. The thing is, the problem with titration is that it's... Well, from my research, the problem with titration seems to be that it's extremely rare for it to occur, and there isn't like a real-world analogy for it. So, you know, when it comes to... here's the thing, when it comes to addition... Right, so... why can't I write on this? Why can I not write on this? What the heck? What's the point of having blend if I can't write on it? Nothing to erase. Yeah, because you didn't write anything, did you? What's happening? Why can't I... Yes, hold on. I'm gonna have another blender just as a board. There we go. So, the thing is, if you have addition, right, a plus a, for example, then there is like a something that's analogous to it in the real world. That would be if you have a cube. Oh, if only I had 3D software which could add the cube for me. Which means if you have a cube, right, and you add to it another cube, what you're gonna get is you're gonna get double the cubes. That's the thing. So that is something. So basically, we can define the addition like this, and then we can analyze it to see how it should behave. The same thing with multiplication. If you have a times b, for in this case, then this would be analogous to having a plane. I know I already talked about this in the video, but I feel like re-explaining it would go a long way. It's kind of analogous to having a plane with one side A and the other side B. Then the area would be A times B. So we can basically, like, you know, say that this is multiplication and then analyze the behavior of the area to then see how the multiplication should behave. So we basically have kind of like a, something to grasp to, something that we don't have to invent everything from the very beginning. We can just, you know, we can not only invent math, also kind of discover it. I don't really like the whole, oh, is math invented or discovered argument, because I feel like it's really pointless, because there isn't much of a difference. But that's where it stems from. It stems from the fact that we kind of invent and discover math. When it comes to powers, it gets even more tricky, because when it comes to powers, we need an n, not a b. That's because we really often like to imagine them as dimensions. So, you know, a point, that's to the 0th power. A line, that's to the 1st power. A face, that's to the 2nd power. And a volume, that's to the 3rd power. And then, you know, a hypercube or whatever that would be. That would be like the fourth power, whatever. Basic math is discovered, complex math is imagined. I wouldn't say so. I would say they're both. The thing is, in my head, there isn't any difference between discovering and inventing. In my head, there really isn't any difference. Like, the thing is, if you imagine... so, in order to illustrate my point, imagine a light bulb, okay? Imagine a light bulb. Beautiful. There, I am... And that's art. Was the light bulb discovered or was it invented? Just sip on my tea in the meantime. Oh, that's yummy. And hot, too. Invented. Well, you say that, but at the same time, you can... The thing is, we invented the light bulb, right? We invented the concept of a light bulb. But what really happened, we put together some glass, right? We put together some metal. We pumped some electricity into it, and we discovered its behavior. The thing is, when we invented the light bulb, we didn't create the underlying atoms, we didn't create the underlying forces. All we did is just got a couple of things together and discovered how they behave as a collective. There isn't really much of a difference between inventing and discovering, other than it's more linguistic than anything else. We just call things inventing when we humans played a significant role in creation of that thing, and we call it discovering when we didn't and was up to random chance. However, if a random collection of gases were to form a light bulb, which is statistically possible, it's not impossible, and it flew down to Earth, then we would technically discover it, but it wouldn't really make much of a difference. We'd still have to describe its behavior, it'd still be inventing. Inventing is the collab of discovered items. The point I'm trying to make here is that there isn't really much of a difference between discovering or inventing. Things which are discovered, things which are invented, they just all are at the core as describing the behavior of something. Can become naturally occurring. Yeah, but statistically, well, I guess I see the point. The only thing is, I really want to make... The point I'm trying to convey is that it's a linguistic difference. It doesn't hold any weight later on in science. In science, we don't actually care later on if things are discovered or invented. They just have to be described. Is projective hypercube or isometric one the best? I'm not great at geometry. Funny enough, considering how much 3D animating I do, it's comical how bad I am with geometry. Or rather, uninterested in geometry. You just made me remember a cool piece of it on the general theme and try and find it. That sounds like a Visa's topic, doesn't it? All douchers exist. Okay, so we need some light. Let's also bring a cube in for reference. And now this is a chapter about electromagnetism, so it's gonna have to be bright, because that's literally light. Which said, if something falls from the sky, we discover it. We wouldn't say invent it. Even how do you define inventing? That's a bit of an issue. Maybe it's just me, but I can't really seem to find a proper definition for inventing. Look at the sky texture. It's gonna be really bright. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. That's the sky, alright. If a light bulb fell from the sky, I don't think it would survive. Ah, fair point. The human process of creating something new. Well, that runs into a pickle, however. Creating something new. For example, if we create a lightning using ionization of a gas that's not present in the atmosphere, would you say that we invented lightning? Because it would be different lightning from the atmospheric one. Atmospheric, if I'm not mistaken, is ionization of... is it neon or oxygen? One of them, doesn't matter, irrelevant to the point. If we have created a lightning by ionizing a gas that's not present in the atmosphere of our planet, would that be inventing or would that be discovering? Inventing things that are naturally occurring and reshaping them to better suit their needs. The issue there is that naturally is once again a non-scientific term. Naturally isn't really scientific. We don't really have a definition of what's natural or what's unnatural. Or artificial, I suppose. The thing is, there isn't really like a single way to cross that line. Because you could say that what humans made, but everything that humans made could be also occurring in nature. Maybe unlikely. New type of lightning based on discovery of naturally occurring lightning. Okay, so, but then I feel like, okay, this is actually a great example of the point I'm trying to get across. Look at this. We saw that the lightning, right? Lightning on Earth. Let's call it, this is gonna be lightning and it's gonna be Earth lightning. Then we figured out the mechanics of it, so we discovered the Earth lightning, correct? We discovered it. Then we went on and we created our own lightning using cooler gases, because we humans are awesome and we do things better than nature. And this lightning was like 10 times better, it was awesome, and we invented it, right? What if on some distant planet later on we figure out that there's a planet with a naturally occurring human lightning? Like, we invented that lightning, but it's clearly out there. It's clearly, quote-unquote, natural in this case. It's on that distant planet, it's happening, because that distant planet has an atmosphere with that specific gas in those specific circumstances. You can see that discovering or inventing is useful as a linguistic tool to, like, describe the history of something, but later on in science, it doesn't really matter. Whenever it was discovered, whenever it was invented, it's irrelevant. All that we care about is that it just was. Both discovered and invented. Yeah, that's kind of my point. In my opinion, everything should be just considered as discovered or invented, and discovery or invention should be just the tool for describing the history of it, not describing the, you know, the tool itself. And because to math, I'll be honest, I don't really care much for history of it. I mean, I do care for history of it, it's just that I don't care for history of it in my videos. Everything is invented, nothing is discovered. I made a coal atom myself, actually. Yeah, I actually made oxygen. You're all welcome out there. Without me, there will be no oxidation, or at least you would have to use chlorine for oxidation. Gross. You're welcome. That's way too bright. Let's add some ozone, let's add some dust. There we go. Now the only issue is that this kind of sucks. I don't know if I like it. Oh, I like this a lot. Oh my goodness, I like it a lot. What vid are you working on right now? It's a vid about fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, weak force, and strong force. And this is a chapter about electromagnetism. Uh-oh, why are you crashing already? That's that's a bit early on the live stream to be crashing, I'll be honest. I want to see what the sky texture looks like with... kind of garbage. I like the look of it when it's black and white. It has that certain specific oddness to it, which I really like, but not quite what I'm looking for. Bye, Greg, bye, have a good one. Welcome, Royal D. Like maths, don't we all? Texture. Noise texture, why not? I always end up using noise texture anyway. Okay, that's too much. Too much. There we go. I like this. I like this texture. Did we lose the Oni colony from the other day? Oh no, I still have it, don't worry. And I will get back to it. It's just that first video. That's my first priority. Unless you want me to play Auction Not Included. Because as I mentioned, I have the time. I am not used to this. I have time to do things. This is wild. That looks cool. Thank you. Basic idea of the electromagnetism. I know that this is the, like, artistic side of the video, and considering how most people watching my videos are science-minded, people who like art are going to be a minority in there. I mean, obviously, people who like art and science is there's still a lot of people who like both. But I know most people aren't that much into art, so this artistic side of videos doesn't really matter at the end of the day. But what I really want to do is, I really want to divide electromagnetism into 3 subchapters, which won't be subchapters at all, it's just that for the visual subchapters, where basically first I'll start the chapter by talking about light, actually. Not electricity, not magnetism, only light. And it's gonna be a white chapter, then it's gonna be a yellow chapter for electricity and blue chapter for magnetism. But actually, so far, the entire script I have for the electromagnetism chapter is just light. That's because light is such a big part of it's basically electromagnetism in its purest form. So far, all of this is about light. Only at the very end, it's slowly segueing into different things. Okay. So delete this, we don't care for it for now. And increase this. Your calmness and silence scares me. Oh, biology or chemistry? For me, chemistry. Simply because I haven't gotten into biology yet. Okay, now what we need is first of all, increase this some more. Then we can't have a cube. On the electromagnetism, I like text. Would be fine in this case. So text 90 and 90, -90. There we go. Array 1 like so, 0 and array -1. There we go. I'm not going to try that. I'm going to CLN. Try. I don't know if there'll be much to learn this stream, I'll be honest. It's more for the funsies of it than anything else. And there we go, electromagnetism. And right here, Oh, one more thing, yes, ground texture. We want some nice texture for the ground. Something with reflections to showcase all the interesting lights and whatnot. Floor. So one thing I really like is... Actually, brick texture would go really well with this. Brick texture into base, yup. Brick texture into metallic, into roughness, into displacement. There we go. And then remove it from color because we don't actually care. And then give it some more shades to pick from, and then... Is that good enough? I don't think so. I just got myself on the thought that in 10 years on YouTube is the first stream that I am actually enjoying. Oh, thank you so much. That actually means a lot. I'm glad I can be. I'm glad it's enjoyable, actually. Have you ever played anything in VR? I have not. VR is really expensive. Don't get me wrong, I really would love to try VR, it's just that it's so expensive, I shouldn't spend my money on it. You can explain most phenomena in the world ignoring the strong/weak force. I would argue we can explain everything except for the fundamental stuff. So, except for elementary particles and fundamental forces, you can explain everything. And we shouldn't really mind the fact that we can't explain fundamental forces or elementary particles because they are elementary by definition. VR is definitely worth it. I do want to try it, it's just so expensive. I genuinely don't have the money for it. A couple $100. That's a rent for a month. You press random keyboard buttons and something happens. I love it. That's why I made all the videos. The thing is, something is missing though. I feel like the reflections aren't... Oh, maybe... Right here? Space? No. Something seems to be... Actually, is it missing? Maybe the color, if it was black, it would pop even better. Is pitch black better or is rent per month? Yeah, in Poland the rent is so much cheaper than in other countries, actually. Living is cheaper in general. If you rent an apartment for $1,000, that's a comfortable apartment. Like, really comfortable. Wait, hold on. Which one is better? Pitch black? Pitch white? Or mix of the two? I like a mix of two. I really do like the mix of two. Mixed, yeah. The intuition was correct. And there we go, actually. That's kind of it for the animation. Now all we need to do is just set it to render. I won't have to worry about this, because that won't be visible. Instead, right here, electromagnetism, frames, like so, enter, in, accept, and switch to FMPEG, H this, there we go, high quality, and MPEG 4. And just like that, let's see how much each frame takes. 128 samples, kind of an overkill, I would say. Nah, 64, might as well still keep it on the higher end. Why not? Yeah, the average California, New York rent prices. I know it's gonna be way, way more. I'm fully aware. There's like a cost of living website. Living cost. Livingcost.org, I think that's the one I meant. I don't want to compare individual cities though. Can I just do USA? Just countries. United States, that's what I meant. Poland. There we go. It's basically 2 times cheaper to live in Poland. Almost exactly 2 times cheaper. Transport expenses are way lower for me too, because I just use public transport. Food expenses are also way lower, because I just eat cheap stuff. Yeah. I like cheap places. Living there for a year once. It's a fine country. It's fine. And in India it's cheaper. 100 bucks rent. That's just too impressive. Yeah. So what should we do now? Should we wait for this to... Actually 5 seconds a frame. That's incredibly quick. My goodness. That is insanely quick. The last chapter was... Last chapter was 30 frames a second. I mean 30 seconds a frame, sorry. If it was 30 frames a second, that would be... I would have finished this days ago. So everyone, what should we do this live stream? Any requests? Any auction not included? Or maybe the finals? Or maybe some more video? Maybe research? Maybe, I don't know. What should we do? We could even do a democracy, you know? Let's do a democracy. Let's do a democracy. What should we do? Oxygen not included. The finals. Research. And work on the video some more. I will be still working the video in the background. I guess. Yeah, I guess the work on the video some more doesn't really matter. Oxygen not included 50% right away. Oh, it's fighting with research. And there we go. Oxygen includes winning. 60%. 5 votes to be fair. That's not a lot of votes, but you know what? It's enough for me. It's enough votes for me. Hey, you don't have to tell me twice to play Oxygen not included. It's one of my favorite games. Doesn't even contain Minesweeper. Democracy is over. Alright. Hold on. It's almost there. Just OBS just need to get a second to... Alright, there we go. Auction included. Cycle 8. Oh yeah, there's our no pissing colony. Right, I remember now. Okay, I remember now. The one in which pissing is outlawed. And also everything is just so cold. So unbelievably cold. What's right here? You can't dig this! Oh no, you done goofed up then. You need to mine this now. Like so. Okay, so here's the thing. I feel like we should demolish the entire world for a profit. As the only game I played. It's a great game. I absolutely love this game. I feel like we should demolish the entire world for profit. You know? I feel like that's a good idea. Yeah, pretty noble thing to do. Let's do it. I'm gonna set this as a priority 1 though, and then we're gonna mine this up. Okay, research, extremely important. Would be... what now, actually? Good question. What next? Plumbing, I guess. We do need water. So I do like the idea of sanitation. Also, the sound is so quiet. Why? Or is it too loud now? Perfect. Okay, yeah, so we will want to... we have a pool up there, which means we do want to destroy the pitch pump. And then replace it up here. Because we'll use this one for water. Can I get an X? Get an X on what? Oh, right, yes, yes you can. Yes, you can set espressos, just need to wait a cycle. We just need to wait a cycle. Then I'll see what I can do. I don't hear any screams. Yeah, exactly! They're not even dying, see? I'm a good colony administrator. We're not even starving yet. Yet, that's important. And right here we're gonna need a water pump, the liquid pipe, going up. And actually, well, here's the pickle. The pickle is in the fact that we should probably set up like a water collection thing, at least a temporary one. And so we shall. Is it even? It is even up to this point, okay. This is going to be our temporary water storage thing. Majig. Bob. And then we'll go like this, and then we'll go like this. Screams creating greatness. Alright, you can dig this up, that's fine. Yeah, sweet, nice, neat. Oh, and we also have a cool Steam vent, I almost forgot about that one. Cool Steam in the quotes, of course. Why are you sleeping on... Wait, no, why are you sleeping on a ladder? That looks so wildly uncomfortable. It's because you don't want to sleep in the dirt. Gross. Oh, or is it because you can't go back? I mean, I know it's because you can't go back, but it's the toilet because you can't go back, so that's kind of a problem. Bladder 100%. Why are you like this? Damn it. It always happens. Go piss. If you piss on the floor, I swear. Alright, good. Who else needs a toilet? No one. Good. Sweet. Sweet. Nice. Neat. Fantastic. There. We finished with this research, which means right now we can actually deconstruct this instead of... No, make it. Quit. Move away. Just let him deconstruct the thing. Instead. There we go. And now we can set up a lavatory. Oh, we even have a skin for it. Would you believe it? I would. It's... yes. Why wouldn't I? How do you sleep on a ladder? I'm assuming with a rope, because I can't imagine it any other way. Okay, right here what we're gonna need is we're gonna need a whole another room. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another door. I'm just running back and forth. No! This one first! Damn it! Ah, now we need to build a ladder to fix it. Trapped. You're not trapped. Get over it. Hi, the ninja! Okay, there we go, and also a 9 right here. Sweet. Now next, we don't have it yet. And now we can just dig all of this up. Actually, right here we're also gonna need to create like a couple of ladders to dig all of these. And pretzels. You wanna make it check the poll? Oh, everything is tied. How lovely. Make it plays video games. Yeah, I'm playing video games with video rendering in the background. Pretzels. Oh, this sucks. No, we need a better pretzels. We need a better pretzels. Hold on. Hi, Delia. Hi, welcome. Strength science, strength construction. Not the worst idea, but not the best either. No, I'm greedy. Give me something. Give me something. Give me something. Give me something, you know, something, something like a something, even, I would say. 11 strength, 5 medicine. That's not bad. Pretzels. Welcome. You'll be our doctor today. So you'll have doctoring, which will be a must, and then these, which will be a mid. There we go. Let's go. Exactly. Hey, that's the spirit. You hopefully won't even maybe die if you walk hard enough. Okay, we can delete this. Isn't not important. There we go. Now what we need is we need the research to get the water stuff. And once we get the water stuff, we'll have the water, and then we won't have to worry about nothing. We'll be fine. What's the temperature of this water? It's cold. It's fine. Whatever happens. Atomic! Oh my goodness, Atomic always joins in like... Oh, wowza. Wowza Zooey mama. Atomic! Well, hide, let me add you to the list again. Dinner was expensive. Take my money. If your dinner was expensive, then I don't think it's a good idea to add one. Who am I to judge, though? Atomic! There we go. What day is it today? It's 10th. It's $5. My goodness, you donated so much money to charity already. It's the American. Alright. Now. Wait, do we not have Atomic here? We don't have Atomic. I have a lot of people though. Oh boy, I hope no one will die, am I right? That would be a shame. If someone was pushed into an intern closet or something. Alright, this like this. It would be just an awful shame. Check the poll. I see research is winning now, but it's too late. I've already begun. I'm a dictator anyway. I'm a dictator. I'm gonna be dictatoring. Right, open both of these doors. There we go. And then you can dig this up too. We're gonna need more space for the sweet carbon dioxide to just collect at the very bottom. So that then we can breathe the sweet air and oxygen and not carbon dioxide. Are you trapped over there? Pretzels? For goodness sake! Why did you? No, pretzels! Well, yeah, no wonder. Pretzels! Damn it! Now I do send the rescue team to rescue you. Pretzels! Pretzels! You guys want to sleep? Have a nice stream. Bye, the Hyuk. Bye. Have a good one. And good night. Pretzels, for goodness sake. There, now we can leave. No, don't go to sleep down there. I sent the rescue team specifically for... we know what, whatever. See if I care. Just see if I care. I do care. That's why I sent the rescue team. Alright. Oh, we researched in the meantime. I didn't even notice. I was too busy saving pretzels. Liquid reservoir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then right here, actually, what we would like is refinement. Oh, we don't have it yet. We don't have smelting. Smelting is important. I'd rather have smelting than this. Yeah, because then that allows us to heat up all of the water. So we're gonna have it actually go like this. And the reason why is because then right here we'll be able to have some machinery. Which... Great. Don't remind 269. Yeah, it's always atomic. Nah, this gosh dang atomic just keeps donating to charity. How selfish of him. Alright. All we need to do right now is just wait and build stuff. That's what I'm saying. Exactly. Hey, I get it. I would never donate to charity. What a waste of money, am I right? Doing stuff for other people. Cringe. You should have spent it on prisoner food. No, that food isn't fit for prisoner consumption. What do these hatches eat? By the way, they eat everything, right? Sandstone, clay, crushed rock, dirt. No, I could feed you sandstone. I do have a fair bit of it. So we could, I guess, have a room for them. 11, so 4 like this, 4 like this, then 4 would be right here. Now, great hall kitchen, I guess. Or what? Two great halls? Do we need 2 great halls? This is very good, like the cheese? Now, I have some chicken wings. Smashed it. Now I'm here. Disappointed. I'm disappointed by the new Dono number. Hey, there's always 369. There's always more. Listen, it's a philosophy in life, but there is always more 69s to come. You know? Good things never truly end, they transform. And we always will have more 69s wait for us. One day, 420. Exactly. 1,420. Still coming too. Why am I always starting streams hungry? That's such a dumb idea. I should learn. No, okay. You build this, you build that, you dig up. How's the video? Still rendering. Okay, sweet. No, you're gonna trap yourself! Tene, for goodness sake! Tene! I swear, I just... honestly... Oh, never mind, you wasn't trapped anyway. Okay, cool. So you weren't trapped. Fine, whatever. See if... I don't even. I don't even. I will not even. I will not even. I refuse to even, okay? We got the research, all that matters. What next? What I want to research after this? Yeah, this, the advanced power. Right. Now we have refinement. Now we have metal refinery. We set it up right here. And then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next option of 14, 15. What a nerd, am I right? I wish I could donate fractions of currency. What a nerd, wants pie. Actually, donating $314.15 would be a great idea for a pie day. Actually, good question, hold on. When pie day is in 5 months, correct? Do you think I could, like, get famous enough in 5 months for me to collaborate with someone like Matt Parker or, you know, Freedom Brown for the pie day? Because I feel like with Matt Parker donating $314.15 for charity. How many videos? Okay, here's the thing. Each video, on average, how many subscribers do I get per video on average? Let's check. We're assuming worst case scenario, so we're assuming that there will be no difference in growth, as in it won't accelerate, only the number will stay roughly constant. Because worst case scenario to be, you know, conservative in this case. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and a half. 10 and a half times 2, that's 21. 35,000. 35,000 divided by 21. That means 1.6 thousand subscribers per video. I would need like, what? 200,000? I feel like 200,000 would be pretty fine. Hopefully. 1.6. Okay. Yeah, so like 200,000. So 165 divided by 1.6. 100 videos. Divide that by 150. No, that's a video every 2 days. So, okay, so we would need it to grow, because otherwise I can't do it. But that's still an... I could do it. No, I just need to try. I could do it. Yeah. Why not? I could make it happen. I certainly could make it happen. Oh, I remember with Middle Refinery I had a problem where basically wouldn't have enough output water. Yeah, so we need actually another water storage thing. I've made a mess. I have made such an absolute and complete mess of this colony right now. Like right here, we need basically another water storage system. Just get trending. No, I don't want to do it the cringe way. I'm gonna do it the MAKiT way. This is exponential growth. I know it's exponential. I just was, you know, I was trying to be conservative with the values. Because assuming it's exponential, that could skyrocket quickly if I'm not careful with my estimates. Oh my goodness, who wants to join in next? Make shorts. Actually, my shorts aren't performing all that well. There's only one short that did well, and that's the Wise and Water Explosive one. Some AI or something. I already did AI shorts. Well, not AI shorts and shorts about AI. I suppose there's a difference. Constant hook. I think my shorts are pretty good, aren't they? Are they really not? Like, come on.
This is still one of my favorite visualizations I have ever made, and it's basically supposed to...
No, that's the wrong short.
What are
Here we go.
Well, the secret is in the notation. First, imagine a function.
Is that a bad short, really?
Added function was the area of these rectangles. Well, if we imagine that right here we have a coordinate x and right here we have another x, then the width of this rectangle would be equal to the difference in x, or dx for short.
Maybe it is, I don't know. I don't know how to make shorts. Strength, unfortunately this does not itself because this game is torture. Integral screen at the start will scare everyone. But it's water integral. I don't want to do clickbait. Hey, I put the Fourier transform at the beginning of the video that showed this from, okay? Get on my level. I'm not scaring people with integrals, I'm scaring people with Fourier transforms in the first second. 13 machinery. Oh, perfect. You're gonna be... Oh, you know what? We don't have Tefta yet. And I feel like 13 machinery is Tefta. That's Tefta material. Here, go operate. Go to crime. But yeah, I feel like it's important that we do this and then just completely demolish this pipe. There we go. Atomic in the colony. Oh yeah, Atomic isn't in the colony either. Camera shy. Said the guy who keeps donating charity. Hopping on streams. And I cannot confidently say your hook is consistent. What are it in subject? Exactly! That's why I'm making every single shot. Even back in the chemistry ones, even back before like my recent videos I was doing that with AIs. I guess shorts aren't my thing. Which I mean, I get it. I'm honestly kind of glad that, you know, my audience statistically prefers long form videos over shorts. That's a good sign, isn't it? I feel like it's a good sign. Every crazy title you have equals more views. That is not true. Gravity Isn't Real is a really good title. It has, what, 6,000 views? It's also a good video. The truth is, you just need to pray to the algorithm gods. And that's it. That's the secret. Pray to the algorithm gods, hope they respond, hope they bless you with fortunate harvests, and that's it. How do anti-gravity treadmills work? Anti-gravity treadmills? I actually don't even know what they are. Completely honest with you. Anti-gravity treadmills. Anti-gravity treadmill? What even is that? Like a physical therapy thing? The Johnson space in the Houston landward. Oh, how convenient, actually. Well, there, don't ask me. Yeah, my attention span is 31 minus 1 second long. And the second this builds, this is gonna start flowing. And it's gonna heat up the water and at the same time refine our metals. Because we are genius. There we go, 30. Oh, genius. It's genius. It's genius. It's clever. It's brilliant. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're phenomenal. We're gaming right now. And it's gonna slowly cool back down over there. Yes. Ada. Hell yeah. Strap you down towards the thread, you can simulate gravity. Point. Am I in the colony? Of course you are. You are actually the first person. One of the first. You're the builder. You're the first builder of the colony. Okay, there we go. Oh, the metal refinery will be important, certainly. Oh, we're running out of food. Finally, we can get to killing animals. Oh, I've been waiting. Kill them all. Yes. Kill them all. All of them. Every single one. There we go. And our calories are slowly going up. Hell yeah. Yeah, nothing like a good murder to get the blood flowing, am I right? Yeah. It's nice. Okay, now what we need is we would need to keep expanding, I guess. We could just dig all of this up. And dig all of this up. And just expand left, right. I guess that makes sense. So, right here. Right here. And he can just go up. Okay, so right here we can... I don't want to lose any territory, but at the same time, I don't want to just have too much. It's all about balance in life, you know? What am I even supposed to research at this point? Oh, art, right, I forgot something, that's a thing. 7 million calories is crazy. Yeah, but that's like our entire food supply. It's not enough. For an entire colony food supply, that's, I would say, pretty low. It probably should be higher. We don't have a farm yet, though, so that's the reason. And I might have even screwed myself over in a way so that I don't know if I'll be able to make a good farm. Oh no, never mind. It fits like a glove, actually. Perfect. Perfection. And right here, we obviously will also need a liquid reservoir on the other end, which will go get a pipe flowing to it, like so. And then, once that's finished, we can just demolish all of these, because they will have freaking water. They'll be all plumbed up and whatnot. Okay, no, not this one. I meant this one. Yes, yes. Only prisoner food though. No, it's raw meat. It's everyone's favorite. Everyone loves raw meat, right? Don't you all love raw meat? Yum, my favorite, raw meat. Raw alien meat. Toilets. Yeah, there's only one because you haven't finished building the thing. That's why there's only one. Go finish building the thing, then you get more. And then this is also gonna heat up our colony. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Yes, oh yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. To be fair, we do need a farmer. I'm pretty certain we don't have a single farmer, don't we? Farming, no. Whoops. That might be a bit of a pickle later on. Do you all mind finishing the thing? Because we're kind of... We're gonna start pissing over the floor if you don't finish it. You finish building this, but not... Okay, cool. Just someone build the pipe! There's only one pipe remaining over there. Why you build... What? Okay, there we go. Sweet. Now you can use them. Great. Now we can deconstruct this, and now we have lavatories. Perfect. Why is a ladder over there? I don't even want to know. Just deconstruct it. I don't care for it. I don't like well done. I like the entire congratulation. We sometimes get raw meat on the ship. Oh, what a lovely treat, then, I suppose. Raw meat. The argument, properly prepared meat is probably safe to eat. I mean, I suppose it would be. If it's properly prepared. Eating raw chicken breast on video and multiple times, some kind of political statement. I mean, that is certainly odd. I would say certainly an odd thing to do. Eat raw chicken on camera, but I mean, you know how it is. Actually, I feel like we can deconstruct this. Yeah, it might be kind of pointless now I think about this. No, keep the ladders over there. Just build to them. There, we only could be going left. You can be coming up with anything nowadays. I agree. I've even made content about like chemistry and people saw it. What the heck? Gross, honestly. Honestly, pretty gross. Okay! New person. Please give me a farmer. That's not farming. That's creativity in construction. Don't care for it. I want a farmer. What's next? Informed content about math and science? Crazy. Yeah, honestly, I'm worried about the direction YouTube is going. You have, like, science YouTubers now? Ew. Science is meant to be left to people who don't have a social life, not to YouTubers. I guess the one the same, am I right? Up top! No? No one? Okay. Give me a farmer, please. I beg you. I'm not saying our colony is starving, but we are. I'm mostly not saying it because I want to start a panic, but yes, we very much are starving. So, you know, Scooby-Doo would be nice if we could. Athletics, that's the wrong A. Agriculture is the A we're looking for. Okay, gimme. Husbandry. No, it's the wrong kind of farming. I got such nice comments today, by the way. They're so nice. Hold on. Let me see exactly the comments were. On the addition, map becomes difficult video. I can't snag. No, 3 is not good enough. Brilliant stuff. Bravo. This is how math becomes easy. Been studying math for my entire life and did engineering math throughout college and also graduate level controls class for my masters where we use Fourier transform, but this video right here has done something none of the classes did. Thanks a lot for posting it. This is golden. It's really nice. I don't know what else to say. I just really like it when people say stuff like this in the comments. It's really nice. Excavation. No, I don't care for it. Agriculture. Gimme a farmer. I'm gonna keep trying. Statistically, I will end up with a farmer if I just never give up. Statistically, it's gonna happen. Like, eventually it has to, right? How could it not? Some good tea. I'm trying to switch from drinking coffee to drinking tea because I've been getting something that could be described as minor panic attacks recently, and I don't know. I feel like maybe switching to tea would help. How's the video going? It's going really well. Thank you so much. Coming across a comment on the video from a PhD student who appreciates the visualization you provide on the subject. Man, I do like big words. Have you heard of infinite monkey theorem? Yeah, I'm doing it right now. I am the monkey, just, you know, pressing random keys, and the Shakespeare is the farmer that I'm gonna get. "12 strength. Come on, give me. I will keep rolling that boulder up a mountain until I get a farmer. I don't care how often it falls down. Okay, omelets. That could feed my colony, but you know what could also feed my colony? A farm with a farmer. I don't care how often this boulder rolls down the mountain, alright? I will keep rolling it up. And up, and up, and up. I just realized that you're kind of like Polish Veritasium. If one day, I mean, here's the thing. If one day I am going to, like, I get on that level to just, you know, casually chat with those famous content creators, I am gonna mention to each and every single one of them that I have been described as them except Polish. Like, I've already been described as Polish Free Blonde Brown, Polish Veritasium, not Polish Vsauce, surprisingly. No. I suppose my, like, Vsauce-like videos aren't all that popular. Also, after I made that video, I realized that gravity isn't real, it's just Vsauce's chair video, except with gravity instead of chairs. So farmer, yeah, but we need a good farmer. We don't need that weak, furry agriculture BS. We need strong, good boy with 10 agriculture. Or I'll even settle for 8. We need the farmer, not a farmer. We need something else gonna shake the... Oh! I did just say I'll settle for 8. Welcome to the colony, my guy, Devon. That's a dumb name for a farmer. You're gonna be the farmy boy. There, congrats. You're gonna be doing farming from now on. And now, food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14. 14, sweet. And then we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. And then keep going, so on and so forth, to food like this. And like so. And this will be a farm. Slave, yeah. Polish Sisyphus. Never forget us little people. I don't love it when people just say that, assuming that I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna get famous and I'm gonna forget everyone. As if that's a thing that happens. Yeah, it's actually a thing. It's actually a well-documented phenomenon. When you reach 100,000 subscribers, all of your memories just get erased and they just get replaced by a typical YouTuber persona. That's actually how YouTubers stay alive forever. We're kind of like demons from Warhammer 40k. The dynamic of Minecraft server would be like, here we are the king and we are the pawns. Well, I don't like to think of you as pawns. No, you're more like, no, don't call yourself pawns. That's mean. You're more like pieces of my grand design that I use in order to enact my devilish plans. You know, give us some credit. Right, high culture. We don't care about high culture. We care about piss recycling. I don't want none of them fancy arts. I want piss to be recycled. That's what I want. This isn't gonna be big enough of a farm, but oh well. Sucks to suck, I guess. There we go. Plug them bad boys in. And now our farmer finally has some, not colony summary, that was a misclick. Damn it, now I have to watch my achievement. Cringe. Ali, so we're digging, great. Purple, you stay high quality and stay with good channel. Red Pill, become famous and well connected with deflating narcissism. Oh, I could never be narcissistic. I am too amazing, you know. I am just too great as a person to ever become narcissistic. Yeah, right, you can start digging all this up, I guess. And might as well, actually, we can build like a insulate our entire colony, because it's gonna get pretty chilly outside, as you can see. That shouldn't be blue. Blue means cold, and we don't like blue. But of course, exactly. You know, we sometimes forget just how amazing I truly am. I am incredible. I could never be narcissistic. I am too amazing to be narcissistic. Yeah, me, right. I'm so modest. How could I ever? Remind me to turn on my heater. You're welcome. Alright, so right here we want to isolate all of this. Simply because if we don't, then our colony is gonna be cooling. And now we don't want it to be cooling, we want it to be heating. I do like the ice of this world, but I'd much rather have my colony nice and warm for my duplicants. There we go, that should be good for now. It's like a chimney for no good reason. When did you become third standard teacher? What does third standard teacher mean? We have a single manual generator for all of this machinery. Well, except this one. This one has a separate grid. Alright, kill the hatch because we're starving again. And these won't be there in time. Now, 9 priority on all of these. Then we can dig this up, I guess. I suppose that'll be fine. I suppose that'll be a good idea. And then we can dig this up. There's still plenty of food to be had just by exploiting nature, so I don't have to worry yet. However, I might have to worry soon if we won't get this farm going quick enough. This farm is still important. And so right here we're gonna have this, and so right here we're gonna have this, and so right here we're gonna have this, and so right here we're gonna have this. And so right here we're gonna have this. And just like that, we have water going in. And there. I'm in school in 3rd grade. Oh, I see. 3rd grade science teacher. That seems like a genius idea. You don't have school? Yeah, we don't have schools in Poland. We haven't invented them yet. And there, we be gaming. We do be gaming. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to say that we do be gaming. Now on the left, I'd like to mine this entire place down. I feel like that's a good idea. So I guess I should just... For now, all we need to do is just wait for my duplicants, for my dear beloved interns to do their job. Okay? Because we have jobs to do. And I'm not pointing any fingers, but someone hasn't been pulling their weight around here. Your chemistry video was awesome. I'm hoping you make more such videos. Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much. I will. I will make more such videos. I do plan on making another chemistry video soon enough too. How's the rendering going? It finished. There. It finished. I suppose I should set up... You know what, that's actually what's so convenient about Auction Included. Right now, I'm just waiting for duplicants to do their jobs, as I mentioned. And so we can just go and dig these up for food, and we can just go and work on the animation again. So right here, we have what? Which one was it? There we go. First of all, we mainly have one theory, and that is quanta. So for quanta, we want... well, we want the photon, and the photon will be, unfortunately, a bit more difficult to render, because it will be my typical volume thing. Let's call it photon. Actually, I could do both. Oh, that's a good idea. Volume, principal volume like this, and then remove the surface for now, texture coordinate like so, generate it into vector math, add, not add, only distance from 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Now we plug it into emission strength, we get this. If we do math, subtract, then right here we can control the intensity of it, and then right here we can do power, bring it up to a higher power, add the value, multiply by a high number, higher power, and just like that we have a glowing whatever. And now we plug this in, and now we give it transmission, and now we have a glowing ball of whatnot. Isn't that great? There, glowing crystal ball. One more thing I can do is noise texture, and then multiply them together. Except the color ramp. And like so. No, I feel like I should bring the alpha up. Electromagnetism, it will be the oh, never mind, I was doing a bit here. Hold on. In order to do this bit, we'll have to do it a bit differently. But first, we got a new person who will be joining in our colony. It will be no one here. That's not good enough. Hyperbolic geometry video when blended tutorial when you Atomic. It is gonna happen soon, actually. Oh, you're a patron. I can just tell you. I can just straight up tell. Night construction. I like that. I like it a lot. You're gonna be the buildy boy. There, what would they call me? The buildy boy. And then right here. Art. There we go. Oh, I can tell you are the patron. Okay, you might actually. I'll be honest. The blended tutorial video, I want to keep a bit more secret. That's why for now I'm only working on the fundamental forces video, not anything else. And this is gonna be. I am just gonna make a blended tutorial. Kind of. You'll see. You'll see what I mean. Now we can dig all of this up, like so, like so, like so. This should give us some more food. And in the meantime, we can just do electromagnetism. And right here, what we want is we want 290, 100, 2100. There we go. Make it a bit smaller on the ground, like so. And right here, location. I want to keep a secret. Tell everyone. No, no, no. It is going to be a tutorial. That's fine. That's actually why I'm not describing the video. I'm going to describe it in the in Discord after this video, after this stream. I mean, that's why I don't want to elaborate. Like, I don't want to keep secret the fact it's going to be a tutorial. I just don't want to keep secret what it's going to be exactly. It's going to be pretty funny. I hope so, at least. Not quite as funny as the chemistry one, though, unfortunately. I am bad with humor, apparently. Apparently it's hard to marry science and humor together. I'm gonna join the Discord to get a scoop. Oh, that's patron-only news, unfortunately. I am really not uploading enough patron stuff. I feel bad for it. I feel like I'm scamming people. I should be uploading more. Join it anyway. Yeah, it's actually true. There are a lot of great channels, like Flames channel. Flames channels, top 10 channels, all into one. That's actually all the ones we have. There we go. So we can dig this up to. There we go. There we go. And now we can go back right here. And once we do have a photon. We don't want it to be a photon, we do want it to be an electron at the very beginning, which means right here we're gonna need a new one's gonna be electron. One 6, because it's perfect yellow. Zero, then right here like a 1000, and right here like a 100 or whatever. There we go. Frames render like this. Why not? Why not? Might as well. You mistakenly say Discord. No, I didn't. There is Discord. Discord is great. I do like Discord. Oh, speaking of, someone pinged me. Oh, it was Atomic. I see. Atomic, you're out on dinner? Oh no! Okay, I guess then you won't be able to join. I'm so sorry. Oh, that sucks. Ah, damn it. Oh, everyone's suffocating over there. That's fun. You sound I just got my lamp. You're making me hungry. This mention of Italian food. Italian food is the best. It's the best cuisine. out there. It's just the best. And you just keep mentioning it. I'm hungry. See? Ali is starving even. Well, to be fair, Ali is always starving. That's like a thing that apparently happens in Auction Not Included, where Ali just keeps on starving for no good reason. We need a more stable power source, which, well, the best power source for this would be a coal power source. Yeah. We could just chuck it on the bottom of our colony. Coal, the carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen, which means it's gonna stay there. Pretty good idea. Where's the buildy? Oh, because I didn't give you priority for digging, didn't give you priority for building. That's on me. Oops. What game is this? This is Auction Included. Hi there, Thomas, by the way. Hi, welcome. Check Discord. Did you send... Oh, you did! Oh, you suck so much. What? Oh, of course you did. Of course, I had the chance. Okay, cool. No, that's great. That's whatever. See if I care. I do. So good looking. I have pasta. I could make some. I think I have pasta. I bought 2 packs recently and I only used 1, so I think I should still have the second one. No, I'm gonna make some Italian food. Oh, natural gas geyser. Yes. Oh, yes. Change the game to research. Ah, damn it! Y'all picked research, didn't you? Y'all, you little cheeky little buggers. Y'all pick research. I see how it is. I misspelled research, didn't I? Poland discover food. Yeah, we don't have food in Poland. That's a that's an American invention, actually. America invented food, so we don't have any. Yeah, that's basically how it goes. What kind of research do I want to do though? It's true, we called it exactly. America, fun fact about America, America invented food and invented living too. True story. Oh my goodness, we're really gonna do research. Fine! But y'all picked it. It's not me. Okay, so we're gonna do scripting and researching, because that's how I research stuff. And the donk. Putting ourselves on energy powers, we are charge magnet spin. 2 things to interact with electromagnetism. Oh yeah, right. What we need right now is we need to see how electron spin affects magnetism. And there isn't a single good source. Well, Wikipedia has awful descriptions of it, so I'm just hoping that right here. Quantum number. Magnetic matter. Just the university. Source of magnetism, magnetic forces and fields. Yes! That seems like it's what I'm looking for. Actually. Oh my goodness. This feels too good to be true. There has to be something wrong with it. There's no way. This feels way too good to be true. Spin again. It's magnets! Of course it's gonna be spin. Brief history of magnetism. I don't care. I don't care about these. Me. Actually, you know what? I should take this textbook probably and I should link it up as a source for magnetism. I need to get better at adding sources to my videos. Magnetic spin. So, refrigerated door, investigating magnetism, pause, do not care, do not care. Like pause repel like this. Okay, makes sense. Both north and south electron protones and neutrons. Okay, I see. Ferromagnets. Alright, what if I'm looking for, hear me out, the reason for magnetism on a subatomic scale? Would that happen to have something that I could use? Have fun this as always. New research. Hope everyone enjoys the night. Bye, Turner. Bye. Have a good one. Good luck. Good night. Defining magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field defines a force. Is defined by the force that a charged particle experiences moving in this field. After we account for the gravitational and any additional electric forces possible on the charge, magnitude of this force is proportional to the amount of charge at the speed of the charged particle v and the magnitude of the applied magnetic field. Speed of the particle, okay, that's different from electricity, if I'm not mistaken. Direction of this force is perpendicular to both direction of the moving charged particle and direction of the applied magnetic field. This observation, we define magnetic field strength B based on magnetic force on the charge Q moving at velocity as the cross product velocity and magnetic field, that is this. In fact, this is how we define the magnetic field in terms of the force on charged particle magnetic field. Magnetic force velocity magnetic field. Okay. Basic stuff, not quite what I'm looking for. Maybe what I'm looking for, that's a maybe. There's no magnetic force on static charges. However, there's magnetic force on charges moving at an angle to a magnetic field. When charges are stationary, their electric fields do not affect magnets. However, when charges move, they produce magnetic field that forces on other magnets. There's no magnetic force on static charge. Okay, I see. So, magnetic force acts on charges that are moving at an angle to a magnetic field. Oh boy, that's really in depth actually. A particle moves through a uniform magnetic field whose magnitude is 1 over. Okay, the field is part of the positivity axis. Okay, it was the magnetic force of a particle. Alright, don't care about the numbers exactly. Magnetic fields. Showing direction magnetic field. Closed loop, even if not shown by the constraints of the space available in figure. The field lines emerge from the North Pole, loop around to the South Pole, and continue through the bar magnet back to the North Pole. Okay, so in closed loops, makes sense. Field lines have through hard and fast rules. The direction of magnetic field is tangent to the field line at any point in space. Small compass will point in the direction of the field line. The strength of the field is proportional to the closeness of the line. Exact proportion to the number of lines being measured, okay. And can never cross, meaning that the field is unique at any point in space. Makes sense, certainly, I think, if I'm understanding it correctly. Field lines are continuous, forming closed loop without beginning or an end. They are directly... okay. Alright. Motion of a charged particle in a magnetic field. I am curious to see what it's like. What happens in this field is uniform of the motion of charged particle. In this section we discuss the circular motion of the charged particle as well as other motion that results from charged particle entering a magnetic field. Okay, the simplest case occurs when the charged particle moves perpendicular to a uniform B field. If the field is in a vacuum, the magnetic field is the dominant factor determining the motion. Since the magnetic force is perpendicular to the direction of the travel, a charged particle follows a curved path in a magnetic field. The particle continues to follow this curved path until it forms a complete circle. Another way to look at it, this is that the magnetic force is always perpendicular to velocity. All makes sense. Okay. Kinetic energy and speed remain constant. Direction motion is affecting but not speed. Okay, so it's not changing the speed, it's changing the direction, because it's always gonna be 90 degrees, which means in order for this to scale, it'll have to go back and forth, and it's not going back and forth, it's going left, right. Alright. Supplies the force, nothing the velocity is perpendicular to the magnetic field, the magnitude of the magnetic force is reduced to this. Because the magnetic force F supplies the centripetal force, we have this solving for our yields. Alright, cool. MVQB, so R, so which means that, okay, that makes sense. Radius of the curvature of the path of charged particle. Right, which means the radius is inversely proportional to the charge and the magnetic field, which makes sense. That's basically saying that the stronger it is affected by magnetism, the smaller it is gonna be. Okay, I think I can see it. Because it's gonna really quickly move it to the... Okay, that makes sense. And then the bigger the velocity, the bigger the mass, the more the particle can like fight against it, and so the larger. Okay, this makes sense. To go around circular bars defined by a period, which there's some travel that's going to divide by speed. Based on this equation, we can derive the periodic motion as this. If the velocity is not perpendicular to the magnetic field, then we can compare each component of the velocity separately with the magnetic field. The component of the velocity perpendicular to the magnetic field produces a magnetic force perpendicular to both this velocity and the field. I see. Alright, cool. Did everyone just leave the stream? No, just over half of the people. That's why I don't do research this. Okay, you know what? I'm hungry, I'm gonna go. Most people have left the stream anyway, and Atomic just sent Atomic completely. Atomic, I blame you for sending me Italian food pictures. The one snuff. I blame you, Atomic. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat something because I'm hungry and I want to. And for now, I suppose that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.